was a 7th level inverter, okay, and in 7th level inverter our output was look like this, and peak voltage was about 300 volt, okay. And in this video we'll make 9th level inverter, okay. For 9th level inverter, whatever we have to do is just copy the below H-bridge and the repeating sequence and the relational operator block, Ctrl C, and paste it below, okay. Okay, done. Now we have to remove this, and this lower leg will be connected to our voltage, so voltage measurement, and this will be connected here. It will make our circuit cascaded, okay. And in the left side we have to connect it to sine wave, it's okay. Now we have to change the gate from block, okay. And our last gate was G6, okay, and G6, so it will be our G7, and similarly it will be G7, okay, and it will be G8, similarly G8, okay. So this will be G7 for the last H-bridge, and it will be G8, okay. So everything is okay. Now we have to change the last two repeating sequence block, okay. It was 2 3 and it will be 3 4, okay. So 3 4 3 4 and last 3, okay. And we have to copy this, Ctrl C, click OK, and the last repeating sequence block output value, okay. So our 9th level cascaded multi-level inverter is done. We have to just run our model, okay, it's done. Now you can see the output level is not giving 400, okay. Because here we have to change our amplitude level 3 to 4, okay. So click OK and run the model again. Now you can see our 9th level output, okay. It is from 0 to 400 and so on, it's repeating, okay. So that's all for today. In the next video I'll show you how to make the 11th level inverter. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.